Have you ever browsed some of the Chinese marketplace websites or the websites used by manufacturers such as Alibaba or AliExpress and seen products that were very obviously counterfeit, branded products using other people's intellectual property like Disney or whatever, and kind of wondered, well, what the heck is up with this? Why haven't why hasn't there been any lawsuits regarding this? And it's interesting because the way Chinese manufacturing works and the Chinese intellectual property rights in general is very different than it is here. In some cases, these factories may not even be able to be sued, even if the companies wanted to. But even more interesting is the fact that some of these manufacturers actually let the factories make counterfeits of their products. And the reason for this is that at very large volumes, especially, the factories won't make a huge margin on the products, meaning they're actually not making very much at all on the individual units. And so by allowing these counterfeit goods to be produced, and sometimes they're just extras left over, like when a factory quits working with the client or whatever. But if the importer lets the factory make more of these, they can sell these counterfeits at a quite a much larger markup. Sorry, and this can help offset some of the low cost off the initial order. And if these counterfeits aren't really eating into the sales of the importer, they may just actually let that happen. In some cases, I've even heard of like importers who are in very fickle relationships with the factory. Maybe the factory is looking to drop their business or whatever. Allow the counterfeiting to continue just to strengthen the relationship. I mean, if the factory makes more money, they're more likely to want to keep you on board and keep producing for you, even if they're not making a lot of money off your order. If they're making money in these other areas, that can help strengthen the relationship. So I thought that was interesting. As for buying these counterfeit products, you'll want to check with the laws in your country. I definitely don't recommend doing anything that can get you into trouble. Don't try to resell them. I see people ask about that from time to time, and I have a whole other video on that actually if you're interested in that topic. Anyway, yeah, I thought that was interesting, and I wanted to answer that for you. So I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe because I do share a lot of business tips and advice, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thanks.